everyone. Today I'm going to be cooking up some pork ribs out on the smoker. So this whole process is going to take a couple hours, but they ought to be really yummy when they come out, so stick around. As you can see, I have my wood chips soaking, so they're getting ready, and I'm going to get out there and I'm going to get that grill going. So I've got my smoker here getting ready to get going. I've got my charcoal, my lump charcoal, and I'm going to get that put in there. And we're going to smoke us some ribs. I actually haven't used this thing for a couple years. And I just brought it back out. So, should be good when it gets all done. I'll bring you back. Well, it just started to sprinkle a little bit. So, that'll be interesting to see how these come out. The temperature's holding steady about 300 degrees, so that's not too bad. Like I said, it's going to take a couple hours. Okay, well, it's 2 hours later, and they're still smoking in there. I had to open it a little bit. I had to add some more seasoning to it, so it dropped down to about 250 or so. But it's all good. It's all good. They were just chilling in there, just enjoying that smoke and that hot fire underneath, and they're going to be yummy, yummy, yummy. Can't wait. Alrighty, I'm going to get out of this rain. It's raining out here, and they're still smoking. So I'll bring you back in a little while. Okay, it's been about 2.5 hours. Been smoking these on the grill. I just opened this wide open. We're still holding steady about right around 285, 300 degrees. So about 20 more minutes. I'm going to take these off the grill and take them inside. And okay, I'm going to open this up and we're going to see what everything looks like. Oh my gosh, look at that. Don't those look good? Oh my gosh. Smoked ribs on the grill. Okay, these are done. They're brought inside. They're resting. They're done. I'm going to put the foil back over the top of them for, about 15-20 more minutes and let them rest. Don't they look yummy? Oh, you. Look at that. Just falls right off the bone. Right off the bone. Oh my gosh. That's delicious. Forget the veggies. That is so good. So nice and tender and juicy and that's so delicious. So delicious. And some garlic bread. Very good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell. Hit that bell. And subscribe to my channel. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.